All right, here is a trading recap for Friday, May 23rd, 2025. So here's our pre-market screenshot. The plan was relatively simple. Price has been selling off recently, forming supply, consolidation, and dropping. Um, and then we sold off into this tariff demand zone that I had labeled, and that came from back here on May 12th. There was some tariff news released at like 3 a.m. and market spiked there. That's where market's currently holding. So I was pretty much watching if price could rally out of this demand zone where it was holding and break above this pre-market resistance level. I wanted to look for upside into these recent rejection levels and then possibly up here into 5815. And then if this pre-market low were to be broken, I would be looking for downside. That's all I was planning for. This right here is another possible setup I was watching, but that was just a bounce from this level if confirmation was A plus. Um, but I ended up trading scenario one from this plan. So looking at the tape, right before open, well, we dip into demand again at 920. Oh, what the hell? We dip into demand right here, bounce, dip in again, and then right before open, we start to get this run up. And this run up is pretty much just straight aggressive buying. So my bias already going into the day is I'm thinking scenario one is gonna occur. I'm thinking this buying's gonna continue. We're gonna break above this level, retest, and hold. It's exactly what happened. Got my entry at 931. We opened with strong buying. Pull back. This bid defends. Buying off of that. I get in here at the 88s. So actually getting all the way up here. Hold my stop. I held my stop at the 83s, just right in here, below this recent low. And then price rallied up nicely. Um, Scaled off the first part of my position right here. And then scaled out some more on the way up at around 2R, which was right there about. And then the rest of my position hit some trailing stop losses. Here's the proof. All right. Yeah, very simple trade. And I'm done for the day. Made a good amount of money here on Friday in about 8 minutes, and I'm gonna go enjoy the freedom that trading can bring. Peace.